Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli. I'm so excited that you're here, that you found this video, because I want to just take a little bit of time out and show you and share with you the amazing back office that you will have access to when you get started, and the incredible training that I've been using and so many other new members have been using since this business opened its doors back in March of 2021. I have a really special message that I want to share with you. I'd love you to listen to from the owner and the creator and admin of Infinity Processing System. Okay, so here we go.
Congratulations for getting started. Super excited that you're here and you're about to learn how you can start building a successful online business using the power of social media, how to grow and expand your brand. And go ahead and click on the buttons below and request the Facebook coaching group. Make sure that you do answer the questions so that you can be approved. And also go ahead and request the proof group. And super excited that you're here. Make sure that you watch all of the training as it is explained in the different videos. Do not skip any videos. Make sure that you watch the winning mindset training session, the art of influence and persuasion. Make sure that you watch all of that information and finish the entire training before you start promoting this opportunity. Take action. I wish you much success. Let's make this new year 2021 the best year, and I'll see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.
Okay, there you go, folks. You heard live directly from the owner and creator of this amazing system where you will learn how to become your own boss if that is what you aspire to do in the new upcoming year of 2023. This opportunity, folks, opened its doors in March of 2021 when I first got started, and it is grown by leaps and bounds ever since. It's responsible for helping so many new members from all backgrounds, all walks of life, all skill levels and skill sets to experience breakthroughs and have success and go on to start earning consistently online. Even marketers who have never been able to even earn a dime online have gone through and successfully completed all of this wonderful training within this product level package of the six-figure blueprint, and it truly has helped them to change their situation and transform their lives. And I'm so excited that you're here today. These are the two Facebook groups. When you gain access after you join, we'll be able to request to become part of our Facebook coaching group and our Facebook proof group. Okay, so you definitely want to do that right from the get-go, and then come in here, folks, and just follow these simple step-by-step video training tutorials to get your system set up for success. Everything you need to win and win big is located in this product package for only a one-time single investment of $300. Truly a small price to pay, and invest in yourself for success, both short term and long term. This is the winning mindset and the art of persuasion and influence that Adriana referenced in her special message. Okay, so you definitely want to cover all bases. Do not skip, do not take any shortcuts, and don't, whatever you do, try to deviate out of and away from the training and try and attempt to reinvent the wheel, folks. Stick to the training, stay on target, stay on course, and follow this to a T, and you should start seeing some amazing results starting to happen for you. Great things, folks, are happening. We have thousands of members who have come through the doors of IPS since it opened last year. Okay, everything is provided for you, from the 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads, so you never have to worry or concern or stress over creating your own content. You simply plug into this, copy, paste, post, and profit. It's here for you. Okay, we have three product packages: the basic, the elite, and the pro. Just get in where you fit in. If you should need to upgrade or update your website, this is exactly where you're going to come to do that. A 7-day action plan for your success. This will become your new roadmap. You want to follow this accordingly. Okay, stick to this and stay on target, stay on course. Okay, and just focus, 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 and commit and remain consistent with your daily marketing activities. Okay, everything you need, folks, you have a wide variety of different options to choose and select from on how you want to advertise your business. We give you a variety. Start with one and master that. Go out, apply, and implement the training within, and then you can add on and layer on and scale up as you go in the next several days, weeks, and months. Okay? So here's how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free. You can access the Facebook Marketing Mastery to become a successful Facebook marketer. And if you want to, now this is totally optional, it is not required, but this is going to help you if you so desire to grow, build, and scale up your business even quicker. How to purchase paid traffic, okay? Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation marketing, TikTok marketing. Automate your business with your six-figure system. And last but not least, some special extra additional bonuses and incentives for hotels and restaurants to give you discounts as you travel in the coming weeks, months, and the new year. Okay, so we have some great information awaiting you and great special training. Okay, and it's only $300 one time, no monthly fees ever. This stuff works, folks. I went through this. I successfully completed all of this when I first joined in March of 2021, and I've just been staying on target, focusing, staying on course. This is the exact training that I utilize to earn those fun, exciting, consistent $300 commissions that continuously keep coming in. Okay, folks? It's possible, but you've just got to get started. Take a leap of faith, folks. Let's get you going ASAP. And I promise you, folks, you will not regret your decision. Not only can you use this training to help you to succeed and earn unlimited, giving you the potential to earn unlimited 50, 150, and 300 commissions with IPS, but this is universal marketing training using this information, education, and step-by-step guided video training tutorials. It is wonderful digital educational compiled in this library here for you that you can use to help you to build, scale, and grow any online internet-based business in the new year 2023. Okay, so before I close out today's video, just allow me to take you inside of my Facebook profile page and account and show you what is possible by following the steps, following the blueprint. Okay, so here we go, right here. Okay, yesterday it was a wonderful blessing to wake up to another $300 payment in my account on Black Friday. And after I found the system, folks, that has been responsible for creating me these fun $300 days for the holidays without doing any telling, selling, or explaining whatsoever. It is not required. It is not necessary. We have a wonderful video presentation that largely automates the process and this entire system. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection with internet, a smartphone, a laptop, or a desktop, okay? And then you'll plug into the training, you'll follow the simple blueprint accordingly. And then this can truly become your new reality. This is what's possible. This is the potential that exists when you take action and get started and don't look back, don't give up, don't quit. Commit, be consistent, show up every single day, go through the training, and take action, apply, and implement it, folks. And I know that you will truly love this system as much as I have, and it has the potential to change your life, your situation, and transform it in a big way. So thank you so much for spending some time with me again today, allowing me to share with you what is an amazing opportunity. Okay, see you soon, hopefully on the inside in our Facebook groups. I'd love to welcome you in advance to the team, to my IPS team, and I look forward to helping you to get started. My link to my website is below. Go through there, enter your information, Should you need to reach me before you get started or after you get started, please feel free to text or call me. My personal cell is in the description. So go ahead, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Retire with Marybeth. I'll be uploading more content in the days, weeks, and months ahead, especially for IPS. And with that being said, folks, thank you so much. Have a wonderful holiday season. Stay safe out there. Enjoy the holidays, what's left of this amazing year. And I look forward to welcoming you into the system and into a great new year. 2023 is going to be phenomenal. Okay, see you soon. Thank you so much. And let's get some of these $300 commissions coming your way. You got to take action though and get started. Let's get you started right away today. And I'll be sending you over a welcome email with your access and also additional resources and my blueprint of what I have used to consistently generate these fun, exciting $300 instant pay commissions over and over again, folks. Everything you need is inside the system. I will be here to help lead you and guide you every step of the way. I'm very accessible. Text or call me should you need to reach out to me. And let's get you started. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.